Hello coffeeholics, welcome to my home coffee corner. Today we are going to use the espresso machine. This is part 2 of my video tutorial on how to make toasted white chocolate mocha. In another video tutorial I showed you how to make my own homemade toasted white chocolate, and this is what we are going to use today. So unlike Starbucks, we are making our own homemade toasted white chocolate syrup or sauce, and it's not just plain syrup or all those syrupy flavors that you find in Starbucks. Why would you want to make your own Starbucks toasted white chocolate mocha? How can you spend about $7 on this holiday treats in Starbucks? When you make this at home, it will only cost about $2 or even less than that. For coffee shop owners, this is a good option for you to make your own toasted white chocolate mocha, make it better, and for those at home, you can save a lot of money by making your own version of toasted white chocolate. And this one is guaranteed to be the best toasted white chocolate mocha you've ever tasted. Let's take a look at my toasted white chocolate here. So this is after I took it out of the refrigerator for about a few hours. So it is syrupy in texture or easy to pour, but if you just take it out of the refrigerator, it will look like this. So you might see some separation here, and it's also quite thick. So you need to take it out of the refrigerator a few hours before you use it. So during the day, you don't need to keep it refrigerated. If you need to keep it overnight, then please keep it refrigerated. For those that need to use it very quickly, after taking it out of the refrigerator, you can put it in the microwave for a few seconds just to let it melt a little bit and ready to use. We need milk. I'm using fresh milk here. And we need whipped cream. Just to make it look like Starbucks holiday drink, I'm going to use whipped cream, and instead of using some candy sprinkles there, we are going to put some red sprinkles on top. I'm using a colored sugar here. And of course, the star of the show is coffee. So I'm going to use here my medium roast because I'm going to make hot coffee. For this clip, I'm going to make two sizes. One is 6 ounces and the other is 8 ounces. About 16 grams of coffee. Put in the grinder. For this one, I am going to tamp it really heavy because I'd like it to flow about 20 to 25 seconds for 25 grams of espresso. When you steam your milk, purge and use a damp cloth to wipe the steam one. Add 1 tablespoon of your toasted white chocolate. Stir it in. But it is not important to have latte art on your drink here because you add whipped cream. And that is your first toasted white chocolate mocha. Now, in summary, I'm just going to go through the process again. First, you make your toasted white chocolate sauce, homemade. And then for this 6 ounces and 8 ounces, I use equal amount of coffee beans. That means 16 grams. But for the 6 ounces, I pulled 25 grams of espresso, which is a ristretto really. And for my 8 ounces, I pulled 40 ml of espresso shots, both strong coffee. Now, the only tip that I would give you, if you're going to put whipped cream on top, then you shouldn't fill your cup to the top. You don't even need to put latte art here. So make sure you leave some space for your whipped cream and then for your red colored sprinkles, whatever you decide to use to decorate your drink. It's time for the moment of truth. I'm just going to give this one a try. It is so beautiful. I hate so much to make a mess of it. Wow, that is amazing. And this definitely has coffee taste in it. I went to Starbucks yesterday and I ordered one holiday treat, and then I went, but where's the coffee? I couldn't taste the coffee at all. It was all flavor, all flavor. This one definitely is so good compared to that one, and it's definitely much cheaper. Oh, and this one is a Ristretto shot. It is perfect. This I would consider great tasting coffee. It's a shame I cannot have Christiana here with me to taste this coffee, but I can guarantee they are absolutely smashing. If you have any questions about these recipes, do let me know. Up next, I am going to show you how to make toasted white chocolate mocha in ice version. And I'm going to show it to you in 3 different ways, using espresso shots, instant coffee, and even cold brew. Stay tuned for that video tutorial. In the meantime, stay safe, take care, happy holidays. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.